Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja, and today I'm thrilled to announce KOSA's partnership with the Light Salon from the UK. And that's primarily because we share the same philosophy, which is laying a strong foundation for skin health and well-being. And I'm really excited to introduce the Boost Advanced LED mask that we have launched in India. This has got to be the most superior, made to medical grade, US FDA approved, professional LED mask that delivers clinically proven wavelengths of red and near infrared light that result in a complete facial rejuvenation. And we're talking about hydration, firmness, plumpness, better skin texture, and better skin well-being. So getting into the science of it, we have the red LED, which is at 633 nanometers. This is your inflammation fighter. So think about balancing the complexion, calming the redness, encouraging healing, and thereby giving you a really uniform skin tone. And then we have the near infrared, which is at 830 nanometers. And this is your cell regeneration and helps in tandem with the red LED light to reduce inflammation. So these actually work synergistically and at a very optimized intensity to clinically make a difference to the skin. There have been trials that have been done that shows that regular use of the LED results in superior anti-aging. I'm sure you're excited to see the mask. So this is your LED face mask. It is made of silicone, so you can see it's really flexible, which means it will give you a really snug fit. And it comes with these headbands that really help to support from the top and from the back. Of course, you need to connect it to the lithium-ion battery. And as a tip, make sure that the lithium-ion battery is fully charged when you plug in and let the entire battery drain out before your next recharge. The mask will not light on if your battery is being charged, which is the beauty of a portable mask. Now, there are also these eye glare options. If there's too much and you feel like you're uncomfortable, then you can always plug it in right here. And of course, to maintain your mask and increase the longevity of your mask, please clean it with a soft cloth after every use so that it's ready for your next use. Now, the ideal recommendation to use this mask is about 3 times a week when you first start, and you really have to use it regularly for almost 4 weeks before you can expect any first signs of results. Now, before you start, we highly recommend you do a patch test or like a sensitization test where you apply the mask on your inner arm for the full duration of 10 minutes and then watch for the next couple of hours if you develop any redness or any sensitivity. But once you're through that, then you start at about 3 times a week, use it for 10 minutes or as much as you can tolerate, and then you can work your way upwards once the skin health and the skin tolerance builds up. Now, in terms of layering the products, I think you can use it on your clean skin, or it's recommended that you can use a thin clear serum before. This is so that you can prevent the splitting of the light and really targeted light can reach through your face. I would not recommend using any actives before the product. This light really encourages maximal absorption of product. So think of using all your goodies right after the application of this mask. The mask will auto turn off after 10 minutes. And actually, once your skin is stronger and calmer, you can even consider double dosing. So either you split it, which means you do 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night, or you can even do it one after the other. Now, the most exciting part. You can adjust the straps just to make sure that you have a more snug fit and it's comfortable, and wherever you are, this is where the magic happens.